Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna do part 2 of my declutter video. I am gonna be moving, so I have a lot of stuff to go through. I'm gonna go through my whole house and we're gonna get crazy. There's gonna be so many garbage bags. I'm so excited. Basically the motto is, if you're not taking it in the move, it's going. So let's get started. I like to keep it real simplified. A big black trash bag, a bin. So everything that's gonna be garbage is gonna be going in the trash bag, and anything that is going to be like donation is going to go in the bin. And so I'm not overthinking it. I am starting in my kitchen area and I'm moving left to right. So I just start at whatever random cabinet or corner you have, go through it, move left to right. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Get done what you can get done, even if it's like 15 minutes a day, however much time you had. This day I had a few hours. And since I was moving, I really had to make an effort to get it done, right? Because you don't want to be like moving a million things that you don't even need or want. So I was able to kind of cook through and I had a lot of motivation to get it done. But it is overwhelming if you like look at your house or you're looking around and there's just crap everywhere and you're like, where do I start? I don't even want to do this. So just start in one place and then move left to right. It makes things so much easier.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 왼치켜 내려 해 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you.
So with the move, my strategy was to remove like all of the declutter first and then kind of like organize the spaces a little bit just to see what I had. And then I started by removing like candles and decor, like stuff that you don't need up and that you don't need, and picture frames. So I sold a lot of the furniture and stuff to the new buyers, which was very helpful. And then I just got a storage unit, and little by little, I just moved stuff out like probably a month or two in advance. I've moved a few times in the last 15 years, and I found that if I do it this way and I'm moving things in waves, so like the last thing would be like the clothes that you're absolutely going to wear in the next couple of weeks. I got rid of, I'd say 80% of my closet. I got rid of like all of my makeup collection. By getting rid of it, I don't mean like I threw it out. I'm just saying like I put it to storage, right? So I just held on to the stuff that I absolutely knew that I was going to be using, and everything else goes into storage. I got a good bit of stuff cleared out here. So I like to do the black garbage bags because then when people come home you can't see through it. And like, I can't see through it and walk past, and you're not second guessing yourself. The last thing you need is for especially little ones or kids to be like looking through like, oh, you got rid of this, or oh, you got rid of that. And it's just like out of sight, out of mind. Get them in the black bag, put them in the garage or wherever, and just get them out of your face.
You make me realize, yeah. Just tell me, baby, who's up by your side? 'Cause every day and night, I'm about to lose my mind. We're like birds of a feather by the side.
This part was fun. So what I did is I had my kids go through the playroom and I challenged them to get rid of whatever you're not using, whatever we're not bringing in the move, and put everything aside. So they went to town, and all of this stuff pretty much is going to be donated to Goodwill. So what I did was I said, if you guys help me, I'll take you and get you a little something. So it was like a little reward. They loved it. They were so excited to help me clean and organize. So I would definitely recommend doing that, especially if you have like preteens. That gets them going.
You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You make me feel like Michael Jackson.
Little mama, you a PYT, dangerous. The way you call my EYE, shorty bad, made me wanna hit the rewind, see you run it back. I'm with you till I DIE, baby, you could be my dirty Diana. You know I'm the only one that you really a fan of. Tell them other boys beat it. You are not alone, I'll be there long as you need it. So undefeated, you know I
Kiss but never tell, oh, I just wanna take a chance. The way you move it gets me grooving on the dance floor. You know I wish upon a well and I'ma take you to the
yeah, so
moon.
baby, here's the deal. Me and you should chill, cause the way you make me feel, I feel like
Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way you move, way you move. You got me singing. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. And I will. She got that lucky 7, Michelin. Girl, you my taste of heaven. Adrenaline. Get me so high 'cause I get lifted when you come around. I feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way you move, way you move. You got me singing. You make me feel like Michael Jackson.
So we did great in here. We ended up with like 3 bags of stuff to donate, and just makes the move so much easier.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love.
This is all we
got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes.
So continuing on the decluttering journey, I did the pantry. So I got rid of like any food items that were expired, anything that I wasn't going to be needing. And I ended up cleaning out like all of my plastic OXO containers and just getting all the food stuff out of there, packing them up. The buyers actually bought the baskets, which was nice. So it definitely saved on like space and time of moving all of that.
Show me love, show me life, show me love, make it change, time is up, we can wait for better days, but the days won't come, show me life, show me love, this is all we got, show me life, show me love, this is all we got, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. About to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions.
It's actually insane how much stuff you don't know you have until you need to move. And then it's like never ending. And now that I moved out and I'm like sleeping on my mom's couch right now, like in between what I'm doing next, you don't need this much stuff. So like moving forward, I'm going to be really cognizant of how much stuff that I have, because it's just like a weight on your shoulders. I don't know how to describe it, but now that I'm not like in a house and I'm literally like living out of a bag in my car and like bouncing around from house to house right now, it's just crazy to me how much stuff we all have and we don't need and we don't use. I'm done with downstairs for now, so moving upstairs, starting with the linen closet. This I had a good amount of stuff that I got rid of. So I actually had to do a time lapse because this portion of the video was almost an hour long, and to fit everything in here, I decided to speed things up and do like a time lapse when I can. So mostly this stuff is like ironing stuff, cleaning supplies, extra blankets, sheets. Then I have like personal care stuff. I have like vitamins, all stuff like that that I'm not using all of the time. And a lot of this stuff is expired. And then I have extra cleaning supplies and just random things that I had hidden away in here. I did a quick pit stop in my office. I have a whole nother video that I'm going to be posting of me cleaning and decluttering and organizing the office. So stay tuned for that. It'll probably be, if not my next video, the one after. I had a whole bunch of content filmed from during the move, but I just haven't gotten around to editing it and posting it. So I need to be better about doing that. I've just been so busy with the move and everything going on, and my priorities have been working and my kids and finding a place to live rather than like editing and putting up the content. But I will get around to it once I get back to like a baseline, and I will be putting up all of those videos. So we got another bag of trash from the guest bathroom, or my kids' bathroom rather. So here's another bag, and then all of the bags downstairs in the garage. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. There's going to be a bunch of decluttering, organizing, and packing videos coming up, so stay tuned. Bye.